How to add your website to your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your website to your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three line here you will find these three lines. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find pages, and here you will find your page. Click on it and then just click about, and after you click on it just click enter your your website, and just type it here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.